Let it go. Woo! Oops. Washing up, people. Washing up day. Okay, we're going to show you how to wash Guna style. Okay, follow me. There we go. Check it out. That's the bath of death. No, it's good. It's very clean. Sometimes it has a smell of hydrogen sulfide, so it's like mildly acidic. But with all the rain, it's going to be. You could be able to drink that. It'll be fine. I'm going to have a little sip, people, because it's rain. It's perfectly unreal. We're going to wash it. We're not going to wash here. We're going to put it all in here and drag it away because I don't want any suds to go and wreck their water. Alright.
Hi, Peter.
There you go. This is quality, people. That's how it's done. I do it with my feet normally, but my feet are dirty. Now we do the rinse cycle, people. Now you're probably wondering why Gigi only has like 2 or 3 items and I have way more. I'll let you work that out yourself, people. But it might start with dirty and it might end with pig. This was the 18-minute cycle. You know how you press different cycles on your machine? This is the 18-minute one.
I always like it when I get in the water and I see some sharks. How beautiful is this creature? Let's see if I can use a Jedi mind trick on this shark. Easy peasy, people. Actually, I'm just joking. Don't do this with a bull shark. You may never play the guitar again. This shark definitely knows something is up and has been following me around for quite a while now. I think it loves me. Well, maybe not now. After about 1 hour, I finally get to see this one glimpse. This dog is very wise to what I'm up to, keeping well ahead of me. This is going to be a very long stalk. There he is, keeping well ahead of me. Gonna be tricky. Then something opportune happened. A different dog snapper that wasn't wise to what I was up to showed up. And then finally the wise snapper decided to come in. The agonies of choice. But in fact I didn't even see it being focused on the new dog.
hungry, but we've got 3 channels to feed, and we're going to go do a waterfall rainforest walk. So we need a bit of food for like 2 days. So that is the ticket. We are preparing the fish.
Yes.
So it's against my rules usually to shoot such a large dog snapper because they tend to get coarse and rubbery and the taste is not as good. But you can get around that a little bit because this is only 5.5, 6-ish kilos. Cut off normally is about 4.5. Best size to shoot is somewhere around 2 kilos. But what we're doing is my lovely assistant Gigi from Argentina is going to squeeze a whole heap of 3 lemon or lime. Oui, yeah. And then we're going to smush it all around. That's the technical term, people. Smush. Look it up. Smush it around. And don't worry about the seeds. Honestly, don't. This is my blog. This is my cooking show. Leave all the stuff in there. Okay. So we're going to do this, and we're going to let it marinate for a couple of hours. And that will tenderize it. Another thing you could do is you could use kiwi fruit. The trouble with kiwi fruit is you might have to experiment with it, because if you leave it with the flesh too much, it actually will eat it so well that you don't have to chew it all. In fact, it's hard to skewer it with the fork. I once I caught a goat. I shot a goat bow hunting, and I took a goat to someone's barbecue, and I put it on, and it was just up from a baby goat, but it was going to start to get a bit tougher. So I got some kiwi fruit and I stuck it in, and I left it too long. I left it for a couple of hours, and literally we're at the barbecue, and one of my friends comes up and he goes, "Congratulations, Plucky! You've just made goat the consistency of cottage cheese." So there you go. But we're lemon's certainly less severe. So kiwi fruit, I would probably only do it for maybe, well, I don't know, you'll have to experiment. I'm not an expert, but it is severe. I don't know what it's got in it. Those kiwis are tough. Good on you, kiwis. Hope you're still watching. You're 7% of my audience. Bloody great. I love kiwis. I love kiwis. So I'm just giving you a story whilst my lovely assistant is doing the thing. Well, actually I always like the kiwis. They're very polite and they're really lots of fun. But I read about the Long Range Desert Group, the LRDG, in World War II in Africa, and I read about what the New Zealanders did, and quite frankly, they should all be wearing billowing capes, people, because those were super soldiers. There were some Aussies there too, and they were super soldiers too, but I think by and large it was the New Zealanders. Excellent. All right, so basically we're going to do that, and the technical term is smush it, and then we're going to leave it for 2 hours. There you go, people. Hey, we're going to have people over for lunch, and Gigi goes, we need to clean up this place. And I went, well, yeah, I suppose we do. And she goes, do you have any paint? Because, yeah, the paint's fallen off everywhere, people. What else were you criticising me about?
What else was I?
I don't know. The list was long, people. It was longer than, more than I could count on my hand. Just kept on going on. Yeah, do you own like some cleaning products? Like there was that sound that, of course, you don't own any cleaning products because like the place is like it is. But do you own any?
I didn't ask that one actually yet. Do you?
Yeah. No, you did. I got you the brush. I don't have any cleaning products. It's called water. Water's good.
Vinegar.
Oh yeah, vinegar. I use vinegar. Vinegar's good. Anything else besides painting? You want a tablecloth, you wanted gold-plated cutlery, you wanted plates that are actually clean? I mean, come on. What's wrong, girls? Next time, don't cast off the boat until the motor's started. Got that?
See how helpful I am?
Okay. Well, it should work.
More helpful advice I know what you're thinking. This plucky guy is an excellent teacher. Ho ho! I ought to write a book.
Thank you for the advice.
What appreciative crew I have. You're welcome, Clara. You're welcome.
We're almost there. There we go. I have faith in you girls. All right, don't die. This is the first time in the dinghy for the girls. But you know, you got to let them grow up. You got to get them to leave the nest. Or kick them out, really. The younger generation now, Jesus, they never leave home. They're like 40. I know one guy, he's got a 31-year-old son and a 28-year-old daughter, and they just don't want to leave. They don't have to do laundry, they don't cook. They have it good. Wait, they've left the nest. Well, actually, they've gone to get people for lunch. We're having it on my boat, party on my boat. I usually don't have parties on my boat because I'm embarrassed about my boat because it's literally falling apart. But you know, got to make an exception here and there. It looks like we're not having lunch on my boat after all. I think James is embarrassed to be on my boat, people. So we have to take it all over to his boat, which is actually okay with me because it's more comfy. But he's working hard doing videos, so I guess he needs to be working as much as he can. So that's okay. I'm happy to oblige.
Okay. Wait, I don't know where to put the rice and stuff because there's a lot of water. So
Yeah, we got to move the fish.
put it on the
Because
float
that-
box, maybe?
No, that can go in the water.
In the water.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll float. There you go. The fish will swim in it, even if it's dead.
Clara, this is hot.
It's hot, so that can go on the anchor well.
And on the anchor, grab
In
don't grab the bottom, grab this. This one, it's hot.
All right. And we got rice.
And the rice is
Yeah.
hot as well. So where should
Ready to
the
rock.
rice
See what we're
go?
doing for you, James? Oh my goodness.
Where should the rice go?
Fish is floating around. Only on my show, people. This is because James doesn't want to leave his boat. I catch the fish, I prepare the fish, and now I've got to take it over to James's boat. Then I've got to chew it for him, do this to his throat, make it go down. But I'm not wiping his ass.
Okay.
Give me your hand.
Yeah.
Wow. And
Oh yeah. That's a lot. Yeah. Yes.
all right,
Oh yeah.
off we go. Ready to go, boss?
Because you saw the glow picture.
Okay, Fifi, Fifi. Jesus, sorry, Fifi, Gigi, sorry, that's terrible. Gigi is going to demonstrate the best dinghy knot. People think it's a clove hitch, not people. It's the round turn and 2 half hitches. Okay, what do we do?
So we go around.
We go around,
once.
and fully round, fully round. It's got to go fully round.
Didn't I?
Well,
Okay.
you haven't done a 360 yet.
There we go.
Yeah, that's
and
it.
then I do it one more time.
No, that's it.
Oh, that
That's
was
it.
it?
That's it.
Oh,
And then, what do you do?
It was like this.
That's it. That's it.
Okay. And then it
And
was
then-
one more time, right?
Yeah, no, not around.
Oh, like this again.
Around that. That's right.
Okay.
That's it. And that is how you secure a dinghy, people. If you use a clove hitch and there's a lot of storms and it's jiggling around, it can jiggle loose. That won't. All right. Now, action.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. What's a weevil?
About the weevils? This is Central America. You can't get anything without weevils. You're welcome.
Any of those.
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
You have weevils in your rice, don't you?
I keep my rice in Ziploc bags, so I'm pretty good about keeping them out.
Yeah, but the eggs are already in there.
No, I freeze the rice.
Ah, well, you kill them. Yeah, you kill them.
first.
That would be torture. They get colder and
Can I
colder.
have some of the liquid? I'll just have some of
I don't do that, people. Oh, thank you. I give them a home for them to live.
That's right, people, I'm a carer and a sharer to all of God's creatures. See more stupidity and rubbish next episode, all on sailing into Zinga Freedom!